Ever felt like you're missing out on crucial insights while navigating the trading world with TradingView's free plan? You're glued to those charts, soaking up all that valuable data, but then you hit a wall: limited indicators, fewer layouts, those pesky ads popping up just when you're trying to spot that perfect entry. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many traders, from beginners dipping their toes to seasoned pros, eventually find themselves yearning for that extra edge, that seamless experience that a paid TradingView subscription unlocks. So, the burning question is, how exactly do you level up your trading game and pay for TradingView? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's break down the straightforward process and explore the different options available to you. First things first, you'll need to head over to the TradingView website. That's tradingview.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already, you'll need to either sign up for a free account or log into your existing one. Now, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find an option that says something along the lines of Upgrade, Billing, or Account and Billing. Click on that. This will take you to TradingView's dedicated plans and billing section. Here's where things get interesting. You'll be presented with a range of subscription plans, each designed to cater to different trading needs and levels of activity. You'll typically see options like Essential, Plus, Premium, and sometimes even more advanced tiers. Take a moment to carefully compare the features offered by each plan. Pay attention to things like the number of indicators per chart, the number of saved chart layouts, the availability of real-time data, the priority of customer support, and whether or not those distracting ads disappear. Once you've identified the plan that best suits your trading style and requirements, click on the Upgrade or Select button associated with that plan. Now comes the payment part. TradingView offers various payment methods to make the process convenient for users worldwide. You'll likely see options such as credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc., debit cards, and often popular online payment platforms like PayPal. Select your preferred payment method. If you choose to pay with a credit or debit card, you'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Ensure that you double-check the information you enter to avoid any processing errors. If you opt for a platform like PayPal, you'll typically be redirected to their secure website to log into your account and authorize the payment. Before you finalize your purchase, take a moment to review the billing details and the total amount you'll be charged. TradingView often offers discounts for annual subscriptions, so if you're planning on using the platform long-term, this might be a cost-effective option to consider. Once you're satisfied with everything, click the Submit, Pay Now, or similar button to complete the transaction. You should then receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your payment has been successfully processed and your TradingView account has been upgraded to your chosen plan. Congratulations! You've now unlocked a wealth of powerful tools and features that can significantly enhance your trading analysis and experience. Take some time to explore the benefits of your new subscription and integrate them into your trading workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.